Life throws curves, but this is it. Finding the joy, it's a mindset. Turning the storm into rainbows jet. Each drop of rain's just a step to get wet. In the melody of life, we are perfectly set. So don't fret, don't fret. Don't care but it's fast to go this day. Seek that hint of sparkle when the skies turn gray. Why stress? Why stress? It might all turn out okay. When the shadows linger longer than they should, just smile through the struggle, make the bad feel good. So don't fret, don't fret. Chase the horizon, we'll find the sun yet. Living for moments, no time for regret. Life's a straight tune, we haven't finished yet. We sing on dancing through puddles, we laugh at the rain. Embrace the unknown, no need for the pain. Life's a wild card, but we'll take the bet. Play our hand with the grace we met. Days might dip, but we never let a chance for joy to become a vignette. Remember to breathe, remember to rest. In this journey we're on a lifelong quest. When the chips fall down and you feel you've hit the ground, lift your eyes, you'll find within the strength to rise, to begin again. So don't dread, don't dread. Find your footing on the path you tread.